Hey, Brian here. Glad you're riding along. Hopefully, we learn something together, or at least kill some time. Sissonville, 20 miles north of Charleston up Sissonville Drive, what used to be the road to anywhere north of here. Before the interstate came through, this stretch of pavement was the route. If you were heading to Ohio, you came up Sissonville Drive. Towns and gas stations and little stores grew along it the way they do, strung out one beside the next, every building facing the road like it expected the road to bring it customers. Then I-77 came through. The interstate runs parallel to Sissonville Drive, half a mile east, and once it opened, the traffic that used to slow through here just kept going. Sissonville got bypassed, the buildings stayed where they were, the road in front of them quieted down. That is the first mark. The road that left. The second one was harder. December 11th, 2012, a 26-inch Columbia gas pipeline ruptured right here. 12:41 in the afternoon, 800 feet of I-77, the interstate that took the traffic, got burned out by the fireball. Several homes gone. Nobody killed somehow. People miles away saw the flame and called it in. Pipeline runs through residential land. Always has. The geography of who lives where and what runs underneath is a thing you do not think about until it shows up at noon on a Tuesday in December. Two markings, one quiet, one loud, same place. Sissonville's still here, driving through, bud. Thank you for riding with me. We are in this together. Keep going.